This is me waiting on my husband to get ready to do anything.
Oh, come on.
It's like, honey, let's finish these rescreening. Let's rescreen the screens.
Yeah.
Got one yesterday. I got one screen out. Waiting on you.
Hey, everybody, it's me again, David again.
Hello, me. It's me again.
It's getting about springtime, and we like to open up the windows after being all stuffy through the winter, kind of recirculate the air, get the stuffiness out. But if you don't have good screening in your windows, it's kind of pointless. Bugs get in because it is springtime. But that might be a problem if you have rips, gouges, or holes in your screen, stuff like this one. And I'm going to rescreen it today. It could be kids worn out after time. It just gets brittle. A nylon screen. They do make stainless steel mesh screen, but I'm just going to stick with the nylon. Pretty straightforward. I don't have any picks on me right now, so I'm just going to use the corner of this 5-in-1. First thing you want to do is dig out an outer seal that goes around the perimeter of the frame itself. It should come out fairly easily. These are the leaf springs that keeps the screen in place in the window. You pull up on the two lower tabs, puts pressure on these springs, should swing right out, come out of your window frame. Peel that out all the way around. Careful on your corners. If this is in good shape, you can reuse it. Although it is recommended to replace it. Dig out your old screen. Been in there a while, so it's gonna take some doing here. Hopefully your frame is in good shape. This one seems to be, so I'm going to stick with it without having to replace it. I'm going to get some new screening over here. You're going to be nice and liberal with it. You don't want to be all exacting, not yet, so let me get that. You want to make sure that you have more than enough on your edges. Like I say, you don't need precision just yet. We want more than enough. Straight edge going there by eyeballing the frame. Again, it doesn't have to be exact. Just gonna cut this with scissors. Pretty smart. Okay, now this is where we take the roller tool, not the grooved one. We need the solid wheel. There's a groove. I don't know if you can see that at all, but there's supposed to be a groove. There's a groove in there, and this one is a solid one. I want the solid. Start in the center and easily indent the screen and work your way toward each end. It tucks it right into the groove, nice and perfectly. You don't need much pressure. I'm going to do this side last because I want tension to come this way. Then again, I'm going to start at the center or the final edge. Ease it in there. Do it one more time. That should be it on that. Now I'm going to use my existing seal. It's in pretty good shape. I want one end to start in a corner. Just kind of lead it in by hand. Again, it's these corners. It doesn't have to be tight yet. We're just guiding it in to the channel. Go back to the roller, and we're going to use the grooved wheel. Start at the center. Doesn't take much pressure. Just work that seal in there. So what you don't want to do is roll off and hit your new nylon and rip it. Just ease it in there. Careful. Little at a time. Take it slow. Again, I'm going to start center. Easy. That pretty much takes care of that part. Now, this is where we want to go pretty much precise. Let's use a razor knife. This is just a Stanley 10209. I don't know if you can see that at all. There you go. 10299. My mistake. Alright. So easily just come through. Make sure you have a good sharp razor in there. Be careful, slowly and precisely get that screen out. May have to come back, hit a couple spots here or there, but you get the gist of it. Rescreened window. A few shavings on the seal where I razored it. That's one down, about 3 more to go. Thanks for watching, and as always, God bless.
Well, me, it's nice talking to myself. A credit to dementia.